Hello guys, welcome back to Yelan app. For today's video, we're going to show you how to transfer crypto from ledger to bank account. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So transferring your funds from ledger to your bank account is actually a simple process. So it's the first thing you need to do here is you need to utilize the Ledger Live app on your computer. Ensure that you've installed the latest firmware for your Ledger device and that the Ledger Live is also up to date. Once you've confirmed that you're using the most recent version of the Ledger Live desktop app, launch it and first install the Bitcoin app if necessary and the exchange app on your Ledger device. Then navigate to the buy and sell option on the left sidebar, and if you've correctly installed the exchange app, you'll find the sell tab at the top section. Now select the cryptocurrency or crypto asset you wish to sell. Next, choose the account from which you want to initiate the sales. If required, add the account and proceed to connect and unlock your device. Follow the prompts to open the necessary applications on your device, and you'll then be prompted to enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to sell and the currency in which you'll receive your funds in your bank account. Ensure that you select the appropriate currency and take note of any minimum selling amounts. Once you're satisfied with the details, click Sell Now. Coinify will prompt you to log into your account and create a new one. After completing the steps, you'll receive a summary of your order, including the amount of money you'll receive from the exchange, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelan app. Thank you for watching.